Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Creating Graphs. Graphs are an excellent way of communicating and displaying information visually. When creating graphs, depending on the type of data, some are more appropriate than others. Before creating any graph, first highlight the cell range and titles to be fed into the chart. The chart tools are found under the Insert tab on the ribbon. Watch how I insert a column chart to represent the selected data. There are various styles of column chart available. Some are more complex than others. As soon as the style is chosen, the graph is inserted into the active worksheet. To move the chart, position the cursor onto the chart area, then left-click, hold and drag. Releasing the mouse button will move the chart to the new position in the worksheet. To resize the graph, move the cursor to the center of the outside edge, over the dots. When the cursor changes to the two arrows, left-click, hold and then drag inwards or outwards. When the mouse button is released, the chart will resize. To keep the proportions of the chart the same, use the corner of the chart area to resize it. Holding the Shift key on the keyboard will lock the proportions when resizing. Alternatively, resize the selected chart using the Size tools under the Format tab. The Move Chart tool can be used to move the position of the chart in the workbook. The New Sheet option will move the selected chart to its own worksheet within the workbook. Use the text box to specify a name for the new worksheet before clicking the OK button. Note that the chart now has its own entire worksheet called Chart 1. To return to another worksheet, use the tabs at the bottom of the workbook. Pie charts show how data contributes to a whole. Pie charts cannot represent multiple columns of information like other charts. For example, a pie chart can only show the part-time wages for Monday, not the entire week. Pie charts are inserted in the same way as other charts, using the Charts tool under the Insert tab. This time I have inserted a pie chart representing the part-time hours worked on Monday. Remember that a pie chart can only show two columns of information, one series of data. This time, watch how I use the Move Chart tool to move the chart to another worksheet. From the Object In drop-down box, select the worksheet to move the chart into. Then click the OK button to complete the action. Notice the chart has been moved from the Part-Time worksheet to the Overview worksheet. When the chart is moved, the worksheet containing the chart will become active. Another useful chart type is line graph. Line graphs can display multiple series of data. Line graphs are good for showing continual data or plotting trends over a period of time. Line graphs are inserted in the same way as other charts, using the Chart tools under the Insert tab. When using charts, ensure that the data is displayed clearly. To delete a chart, select it and press the Delete key on the keyboard. Watch how I also delete the chart from the Overview worksheet.